In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use outline mode in Google Docs to streamline your document navigation and enhance your productivity. We'll break this down step by step to ensure it's easy to follow and implement effectively. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open the Google Doc you plan to work with. Once your document is open, shift your attention to the left side of the Google Docs interface. Here, you should see an icon that resembles either a bulleted list or a small document outline. This is the Show Document Outline icon, and it's going to be your gateway to easier navigation within your document. Go ahead and click on this icon. Upon doing so, you'll notice a sidebar appearing on the left side. This sidebar is your new interactive guide, outlining all the headings present in your document. It's important that for this outline to function effectively, headings within your document should be formatted correctly. Make use of Google Docs' built-in heading styles, such as Heading 1, Heading 2, and so forth, when you are titling the various sections of your document. This ensures that each section is properly recognized and organized within the outline view. Once the sidebar is visible, you have the ability to navigate effortlessly throughout your document. Let's say you have a section titled Introduction. By simply locating Introduction in the outline on the sidebar and giving it a click, your document will immediately jump to the corresponding section. This feature greatly enhances your ability to quickly move between different parts of your document, making it invaluable, especially when dealing with extensive or complex documents. Using outline mode is not only about quick navigation, but also about maintaining a structured and well-organized document. It allows you to visualize the hierarchy and flow of content effectively, making it easier both for drafting and reviewing. Whether you're an experienced user managing a massive project report or a student organizing notes for an assignment, this feature simplifies your process, helping you focus more on content rather than getting lost in the text. And that's all there is to it. Outline mode in Google Docs can transform the way you work, making it easier than ever to navigate even the longest of documents with just a few clicks. It's a small feature with powerful benefits designed to make handling complex projects a breeze. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you work more efficiently.